right, guys, check this out. We're deep in the Amazon. Ace is in front of me and we're on another adventure. No, but for real, this is Jacksonville, and in a couple of minutes you're actually going to see downtown. I found a super cool launch that's going to put us right out on the south bank of the St. Johns River, right across from the jail. Whoa, some giant birds up there. And there it is, guys, St. Johns River. Right up ahead is the Hart Bridge, and once we get out a little bit further, you're gonna see to the left will be downtown Jacksonville. All right, and we're out. There is the stadium, there's the Matthews, that's the Hart, and over to my left, that's Maxwell House, and that's the Duval County Jail. And we definitely plan to cross the river and fish right in front of it. But for now, we're probably gonna explore this south bank up here on the left a little bit. Some kind of disturbance in the water up there. It might be manatee, so we have to be careful. But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing today. Me and Ace out here. Personally, for me, I'm going for flounder, but really anything that bites would be cool. Definitely my rig setup will be for flounder. But I also brought the Convict Killer 5, the short rod. There's a lot of concrete structure and docks and stuff out here, and I might try to drop for some mangrove snappers or some sheep's head. I do have a bag of old mud crabs that were frozen, and hopefully they work. I also have an old bag of shrimp, and I'll use those to target the snappers. But yep, that's the plan today. It's gonna be super hot. I think the heat index is gonna be over 100. So we don't plan to be out here that long. Just hopefully we catch enough for a video. But cool, guys, thanks for joining me on this adventure, and let's hope we get on some fish. All right, you look straight up ahead, that's the Main Street Bridge, downtown Jacks. And just right in front of me right here on this shore, that's a new park they're building on the south bank. And there's actually a trail that goes all the way to the left, a little boardwalk. It's gonna take you through the woods over there. Pretty cool stuff. I don't think it's open yet, but something worth checking out once they're open. Just cast along this shoreline to get started. Looks pretty good, the rocks up ahead. We'll go up here a little ways and then we'll turn around. I wanna fish this structure up ahead. Yeah, see those concrete docks? No action yet, guys. Man, wonder what that was. Wasn't a flounder. It was a hit, a quick hit. Oh. What the hell was that? Dude, it might be mangrove snappers, dude. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Right, guys, might have found some snapper. About to find out. Nah. Free line in it? The Carolina rig. Oh, damn. Oh, there goes one. Croaker. So not snappers. All right, guys, first fish of the day. I was hoping it was snappers, but looks like there's a bunch of croaker over here. I'll definitely keep some if they're bigger. There's another one. Oh, little redfish. Baby redfish here. There it is. So we just fished this, no bites. On the opposite side, we had a few little small fish, but what we're gonna do now is head across the river, right towards the jail, right towards Maxwell House. It's not that far and doesn't seem to be a lot of boat traffic. We're gonna be careful. All right, guys, we're just about there. There's Maxwell House right up ahead, and there's Duval County Jail. We're definitely gonna hit this dock and that dock. They're just abandoned. I'm pretty sure they're deep. Look like at one time they're built for big ships. And there's actually a big Navy ship right there right now, and the other one, the third one down there. So it has to be extremely deep. Probably a good time to use the Carolina rig, drop down some shrimp, and I do have some mud crabs. All right, coming up on this structure, we're gonna fish this one first. Man, it looks pretty juicy though. Fish on, fish on. Yeah, small. Let's see. Damn catfish. But that's on the shrimp. Let's try that shrimp again. If it's gonna be more catfish, we'll give it a break. Let's drop this one straight down. Fish on, small one. Toadfish. All right, still working this dock, same one. Ace had something take his big crab right up against the piling, so he's hoping there's some sheep's head, and I'm gonna try to work this wall. Hopefully there's some flounder up against it. Ton of bait everywhere. The water's actually really clear too. If flounders around, they're gonna be right up against the wall. That's where the bait's sitting, or that's where the bait's traveling back and forth. All right, guys, really hot, no bites. This looks like a no man's land, and probably a reason no one fishes over here. We're gonna turn back around, work around the other side. All right, Ace is working the crabs. I'm gonna try for flounder up against this wall here. All right, we're up to the second dock. This one looks a lot better, I think, especially right up ahead right here. Look at that cluster of pilings right there. Tons of oysters all over them. We'll definitely try to do a little bottom fishing right here. Half of a mud crab tied on. These were previously frozen, so I'm not sure if they'll work. Drop it right next to the piling. Pretty good depth. All right, no bites on the crab. Let's go back to shrimp. I'm gonna toss it way back there. Let the current take it back towards me. Hell yeah. Hey, I'm on this side, bro. Fish on, fish on. All right, another catfish. Let's see. Yep, damn it. Nothing but catfish. All right, guys, working way down river now, heading towards the Hart Bridge. Gonna hit some of these spots along the way. So far, not looking good. Might be a big old skunk. I mean, other than the trash fish and some croakers. I'll give a few casts over here while we're passing it. They're building a huge hotel right here, or condo, something like that. And right here used to be a huge marina that was hooked up to Metro Park. Since they began construction, they've taken out the entire marina, so all the docks are gone. It looks totally different now, but there's a water break here. I think I'm gonna fish it a little bit. With this outgoing tide, water's flowing from left to right. Maybe there's some flounder up in this little cove. Yeah, huge construction project going on in there. All right, guys, big old skunk so far. We're probably gonna head back across the river. If you see the red buildings over there, that's Bishop Kenny. I've caught fish behind that school before, and we're gonna head to that rock line. We gotta salvage this day with something. So see you guys when we get over there. All right, guys, made it to the other side. Looks pretty shallow too, actually. Low tide came quicker than we thought. Whoa. Just gonna work our way real quick over to that rock pile. Ace is ahead of me. Should be better depth over there, and hopefully some fish. We are struggling right now. All right, guys, still a big old skunk. Heading back in the direction of the launch. Little creek's right up ahead on the left, but we're probably gonna go past it a little bit and work that little concrete barrier one more time. That's where we had some bites. I mean, at least some croaker, catfish, little redfish. So I'm gonna sit there for a little while. Storms might be moving in an hour or two, so just gonna hang out over there, drop some dead shrimp and see what happens. Should be over there in about 10 minutes. Still biting. Yeah. Probably those damn croakers. It's not a catfish. Croaker.
Oh, perfect croaker too, bro.
I eat croaker now.
Hell yeah, those things are good, but not that small. I mean, you can fry them whole if you got like 60 of them. I think they're good, man.
They are good.
You know what else is good? Grunts.
Grunts? Yeah, grunts are good.
Yeah, man.
And any one of those small fish fried whole is pretty decent.
Hell yeah. No, I think I'm gonna go that way.
Where? Oh.
Keeping me loose, man.
There you go, Mr. Catfish. Oh God, me and Ace hiding from the rain now. Only shelter we could find. Hell yeah, Ace is on, guys. Ace is on. Trout? Hell yeah, looks like a good trout. Finally, man. Oh, maybe we found something. Yeah, decent. Nah, maybe a small red. Finally, guys. What is this? Damn jack. Yep. A river jack. Yeah, they do. There he goes. Hell yeah, bro. We're on. We're on. Yeah. Don't know what this is, guys. Trout. Oh, nice trout. Hell yeah. Pretty good one. Woo. Pretty good trout, guys. Finally something. Definitely a keeper right there. Might keep this joker though. Oh crap. Come on, dude. Got you. We got you. Hell yeah. See how big it is. This guy is gonna be almost 18.5 inches. He's fat as hell. I'm gonna keep him. It's been a rough day and it'd be cool to take something home. Guys, big struggle today. Just caught that 18-inch trout though. I mean, At least we didn't skunk. We fished a lot of cool looking areas today. Fish weren't cooperating. I'm not sure if I should make this a video or not, but you guys might want to see some of the downtown fishing spots. Maybe it's just because it's the middle of summer and they're not hidden, and we need to come back during the winter time. Rainstorms are forming all around us and we need to get back ASAP. Tough day. Downtown, I know it couldn't be good or that good, but I didn't think it'd be this bad. Look at these waves, they're picking up too. Whoa. All right guys, back in the little creek, and thankfully there's enough water. Storms are coming fast. Hopefully it doesn't get shallow on us. So far so good. It's a down tree up ahead. Uh-oh, can we make it? Oh, damn. Barely made it. Alright guys, we are in the truck and heading home, and there's a crazy storm up ahead. Hope I make it home before that hits. Thanks for joining me on another adventure. I know we didn't catch much this trip, but I just kind of wanted to showcase the area, something a little bit different. And I'm guessing we probably just hit it on a bad time of the year. Maybe in the colder months is better. That's something definitely worth exploring in the future. But right now, today, terrible time. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.